when Massey Harris and Ferguson got married, and the Ferguson 40 was Ferguson's big tractor, and Massey Harris, what they had was a pony tractor. They had Ferguson dealers and they had Massey Harris dealers. The Massey Harris people said, we want that Ferguson tractor, but we don't say Ferguson on it. We want our tractor. So they built some of these, they call them Massey Harris 50. The major difference is the bevel in the hood here, and also the color scheme, the bronze bellies on them. Well, it's just like like these other two brothers he got here that we just ride around with it, play with it. We don't do any work with it, and his working days are over. Bought this one and set it beside the road in Indiana someplace, and was able to doctor it up and get it back to health and looking good again. So, well, the things there again is mostly just to kind of go through it and fix all the oil leaks. Now, this particular tractor is just like the rest of them. You know, they will have little oil leaks somewhere. I mean, I haven't bought one yet that hasn't had oil leaks somewhere, but that's just part of it. That's part of the game. As far as any major, the most major thing was the clutch and the rear main engine seal, because it all came apart at the same time. My oldest grandson, he loved this color, and he said one day we were all together, and he said, "Oh, Grandpa, I forgot to tell you," he said, "but that Massey Harris 50 got my name on the bottom of it." And I said, "Oh, okay." Well, his uncles, they said, "Well, wait a minute," but that's all in fun, but yeah, they've all got their eye on it, but we're not sure who's going to get it. It's run the circuit a couple of times. We've been to tractor drives, and actually we had it all psyched up and ready to go. And then we had to cancel the one we had here in a local town this year because of the late spring. The farmers weren't done, and we had a lot of rain. Well, the morning that we would have went, early morning, we had downpour all day long, so we didn't go. He had it canceled before then, but had the rain. Had the rain came after we had started, we'd go right ahead. But to start out in the rain, we didn't do that. So. Actually, just show them. Just show them. Yeah, we do have once in a while we have a plow day once in a while, but we haven't had those for a couple of years.